Hi, I'm Dr. Agnes. Welcome to my channel. Today will be a full body relaxation flow suitable for all levels, especially those who are having stress or problems sleeping. This flow is for you. When you are ready, let's come into sitting position. Palms on your knees. Soften your gaze and gently close your eyes. We will take a few breaths over here with longer exhalation. Tuning in for today's gentle flow, preparing ourselves to relax and for a good night's sleep. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath. 3, 2, 1. Breathing out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to normal breathing. In and out, slow and nice. Feel the expansion with each inhalation and nice and long exhalation, releasing the breath and all the muscle tension and also the shoulders away from the ears. Whenever your mind drifts away, just bring it back, focusing on your breath. We are not doing anything. We are just learning to be here right now with our breath and body. With next inhalation, gently open up your eyes. Now you may stretch your right leg to the side. We are going to take a side bend, left hand reaching over to the right. Feel the stretch in the left side of the body. We do not need to do a lot. You just feel the stretch and you may even find the support with your right hand. We are letting the body, the weight of the body and the gravity to do its work. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, now you twist towards the left, so your right hand pushing against your left knee. Look to the back over the left shoulder. One more breath here. Inhale. Exhale, come back forward. Now the other side. So extend your left leg to the side. Now reaching the right hand over to the left. Again, you can find the support with your left hand. If you can't reach, you can even support the elbow against your leg. Just make yourself comfortable. Sometimes doing less is more. Listen to your body. Feel what your body needs at this current moment. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, come back up. Now twist towards the right, so left hand on top of the right knee, slightly pushing it against. So you're going to twist to the right and look over that right shoulder. One more breath, inhale. Exhale, come back to center. Now we will take pigeon pose, or you can actually stay in 90-90. So this is 90-90, 90 degree at the front knee and 90 degree at the back knee. So back knee is aligned with the hip. Or if you want more, you can go into pigeon. Choose your option. So once you're here, you just walk yourself forward and bow down. Our target area is the outer side of the right glute. So just adjust yourself and make yourself comfortable and able to stay in this position for a couple of breaths. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, now come back up. Now we switch to the other side. So switching over. So now left leg forward, right leg back. Same change. Choose your option, either 90-90 or pigeon pose. Walking your hands forward. You may rest either on your hands or the mat. And just try to stay as still as possible. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale. Now come back up. We will move into puppy stretch. So come onto your knees. So your hips is going to be on top of your knees. Now you walk your hands forward and walk till you can gently sink the chest down. If you can't touch your chest on the floor, it's fine. Just stay at where you can. Or you may sink all the way down, resting on your chin or your forehead. Your choice. Remember, it's your practice. So just listen to the body. We are not judging ourselves. We are not comparing to others. So just do what makes you feel comfortable. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly come back up. Walk your hands back. Now you may lie on your back. We will do some hamstring stretch. So keep your left knee bent, stand the right leg up. So straighten the right knee. You can grab behind that knee or the thigh and gently pull that leg towards your chest. Again, you don't need to go for 100%, even 30%, 40% is fine. It's a gentle relaxation flow. We are just releasing that tension at the back of our leg after a long day. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale. Gently release, change to the other side. So left leg straighten up, grabbing slightly below the knee, and apply a slight pressure to pull that leg maybe closer to yourself. If your leg is very far apart, you can either grab wherever you can or use a towel or just keep it without the hand is fine. So choose your option. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale. Now stand both legs up, so you face the feet up towards the ceiling. If you can't, it's too stiff, you can keep it this way, it's fine. Or if it's possible for you, just straighten the knees and stay here. Relax the leg. This is a good relaxation flow, a good relaxation pose because the blood flow is flowing back towards the heart. You can even support yourself against the wall if it's accessible to you, so that you don't need to engage any muscle. You just place your legs against that wall for support. Alright, exhale, release. Now coming to the last pose, which is happy baby. Grabbing on the inner side of the foot or the outer side, your option. And gently pull that knees towards the armpit or the floor. And we'll stay here for a couple of breaths to loosen up the stiffness around the hip. One more breath, inhale, exhale. Gently release the feet, coming into Shavasana. Find the relaxation. Placing the palms at the side of the body with the palms facing up. Your legs slightly apart and let all the four limbs just gently melt towards the ground. Begin to take deep, slow breath. We will do a final full body relaxation from the crown all the way to the toes. I would like to invite you to pay attention to all the body parts as I mentioned. Now bring your awareness towards the crown of your head. Feel your scalp down towards your forehead, eyebrow, your eyes, nose, cheek, mouth, chin, relaxing all the muscles. You may feel that energy flowing around this area, and you are learning to connect to your body, to tell the muscles to release all the tension. Now moving towards your neck, shoulders, chest, upper arms, forearms, palms, fingers. Relaxing all the muscles and feel it melting away towards the ground. Now guide your energy towards your belly, your pelvis. Now moving towards the back. Feel the energy flow and release. Moving to to the thigh, the knees, lower legs, feet, toes, relaxing all the muscles, all the tension, all the energy that no longer serves you. You can choose to stay here. Otherwise, begin to deepen your breath. Begin to move your fingers and move your toes, bringing the awareness back to the body. Gently move your head side to side to release the tension in the neck. Gently turn yourself towards your right. When you're ready, push yourself back up, coming into sitting position with your eyes closed. We'll take one deep breath to end today's practice. Inhale, nice and long. Exhale, sigh out through your mouth. Chin to chest, slightly bow forward. Feel yourself sitting here more relaxed compared to before the practice. And gently open up your eyes. Alright, thank you for joining for today's practice. Hope you enjoyed the flow and feel more relaxed. I'll see you in the next video. If you like my content, please follow and share my channels to others. Bye!